What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 BMW iX M60. This is a fully electric vehicle from BMW, and this vehicle has a maximum output of 610 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque, and it is capable of doing 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. This vehicle can also get up to 288 miles of electric range. So I've never actually driven the iX before, and I'm very excited to drive it today, especially driving an M60 model and not just a regular trim level. This has a very nice interior with like a red and black two-tone, or it's more like a burgundy. It's very nice. And you also have a Bowers & Wilkins sound system in this vehicle, which is really cool. You have a 2-spoke steering wheel, and you have the BMW I logo, which is the BMW logo with the blue around it. You also have the glass controls in here, which gives you the glass iDrive controller, glass volume control, and a glass gear shifter. Here's your center console storage. You also have a wireless charging tray down there, where my phone is charging right now. And you also have cup holders, and you also have a lot of space over there too, which I like. You can put like a bag or something over there. Put the vehicle in reverse, and you have a 360 view camera. You also have wood in here. A lot of this reminds me of the BMW i3 and the i8, which had wood pieces in there. I like the feedback that this glass controller gives, and it looks really cool too. Here are the seats in this vehicle. They look very nice, and they're very, very comfortable. And your controls for the seats are also glass, which looks fantastic. You also have a panoramic sunroof, or it's like a panoramic glass. It doesn't close. You don't have like a shade for it, but it is tinted. And let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. Here's your key fob, by the way. Standard new BMW key fob. This one has a black exterior. Black wheels with blue M Performance brakes. You have the giant grille on this vehicle as well, and this is like a self-healing grille. I think I saw like a video where like you could spray, like even if it gets damaged, you pour hot water on it and it'll heal itself, which is pretty interesting. But you also have BMW laser light technology on this car. While the looks have been polarizing on this vehicle, it certainly looks like a very nice car to drive. You also have USB-C charging ports in the back of this headrest. You also have heated rear seats, which is cool. The wheels look awesome, and this has Bridgestone Alenza tires on it. You have I like the back of the vehicle a lot more than the front, that's for sure. You have an iX M60 badge on the back, and I love how the badges are blacked out with gold surrounding it. Reminds me of the BMW XM. See how I can open the trunk. Might just have to open it from the inside. The doors have a really nice weight to them. Here's the trunk. Looks pretty good in terms of space. And I like how the taillights are clear. This car in black definitely does look pretty cool. I like that. And I love the interior. The interior is absolutely beautiful. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. You also have a head-up display. This interior definitely looks very futuristic. Doesn't look like it definitely looks way more unique than a lot of car interiors today. And I love the giant dash, and I like how the iDrive, see in this car, the iDrive 8 system looks well integrated. Like it doesn't look like it's glued onto the dash, but rather sticks out a little bit, which I like. iDrive 8, the iDrive 8 screen doesn't look great to me in a lot of BMWs, but in this car it definitely looks good. Very, very quick. I'm going to turn on iconic sounds, see what that's like. I like the feedback, as I said, from this area. Like whenever you press something, it gives you like a little bit of feedback. They're like electronic buttons, which is cool. There we go. This is the BMW artificial electric sound. This sound was made by Hans Zimmer, who also was the music director for the Dark Knight trilogy and a lot of Christopher Nolan's movies, if not all of them. This is really, really cool. Like, I made a video on the BMW i4 M50. It has the same artificial noise. It's very, very interesting. The ride in this vehicle is extremely smooth. And you also have heated, ventilated seats and heated steering wheel in this car, which I like. That is very fun. I need to make a video on a BMW i7 as well. I've never driven an i7. I really do want to drive that. I've heard great things about it. Blind spots are easy to view. You have great visibility in this car. Put your foot down, this thing will definitely be ready to go. 3.6 seconds 0 to 60 is very impressive. That's fun. Very fun to just put your foot down. Let's change the mode now. Try out the efficient mode for the rest of today's drive. Efficient drive setting, optimized for consumption. Whenever you put it in this mode, it will turn off the artificial sound and will give you a quiet drive. But in the sport mode, the artificial sound will turn on. I really like that head-up display. It's very nice resolution. And also I'm very impressed with the smoothness of this car and how the steering feels. The steering feels very nice. It doesn't feel vague, like you might find in some electric SUVs. I mean, BMWs are meant to be on the sportier side. Every single BMW you drive, regardless if you're driving a base model BMW or a M Performance BMW, whatever it is, they all will have very nice steering. You're not going to find any BMW with very numb steering. BMWs are engineered to be fun to drive. Which is why it's one of my favorite brands and why I drive a BMW myself. Very nice and quiet. I really like this car. I don't see any lumbar adjustments for the seats, but I think that's because the seats are already like super comfortable. It has really good support for my back and my legs. Everything feels really good. I might be wrong about the lumbar support, but I don't see any buttons for it. I only see memory seats and the adjustment to move the seat front and back, or the backrest and bottom cushion back and forth, whatever you want to call it. A very enjoyable drive in this car. But overall, very enjoyable drive in this 2023 BMW iX M60. Thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new or certified pre-owned BMWs.